Hi, welcome to my home. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer on YouTube, and today we're going to make jalapeno cheese poppers and mild cheese poppers for those who are a little faint of heart. So we're celebrating that the Bears they're going to be last place, but they get the first choice and a draft choice. So we'll be right back, folks. Hi, Chef Carl here. As you know, I always ask you to support our military and first responders. Our sponsors, Janet Churchill Britt and her husband, Doug Britt, are with Keller Williamson Realtor here in Kennewick and are offering significant savings to all hero groups when you sell or buy a home. This includes all military, active, reserve, and veterans. Also, law enforcement, teachers, and all frontline employees. Give them a call and tell them that Chef Carl sent you.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, we're back, and what I have is an 8-ounce package of Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm going to soften it up in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Then we're going to add the dry ranch dressing mix, about a tablespoon. And then we're going to add the sausage, which I'm going to make into a patty and chop up. And then we're going to top it with bacon and parmesan cheese. So let the party begin. So we soften it up so we can mix in the spice from the ranch dressing mix. And easier to put together because I'm going to pipe it through not a pastry bag, a regular half-gallon bag. I'm going to cut the tip off. It's a lot easier than trying to fill them with a spoon and stuff. Now this is 45 seconds. You can see the steam coming up. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the ranch seasoning mix. When I'm done with this should make about a dozen cheese poppers. So next what I'm going to do, this is a third of a pound of spicy breakfast sausage from Bob Evans. And I let it warm up a little bit, but last time I tried to press it down with my fingers, and I said, you know what? Use this spoon like a spatula. You got it out anyway. And we're going to make a nice patty out of it. And now we're going to put it on the stove and cook it. Then I'm going to flip it and put it on the cutting board, dice it up, and we're going to add it to our cheese mix. It usually takes about 3 minutes on each side, maybe 4 minutes, depending how cold the meat is. The sausage is starting to sizzle. I don't know if you can hear it or not. So about another minute. And then I'm going to try to flip it without having it land on the stove. Just say your prayers. And when I take it out of the pan, any little bit of juices or fat that's in there is going to go in our mixture because that's flavor. If it was like 3 tablespoons of juice or fat, I'd drain some off. But 5, 4, 3, It looks like a smash burger when you make them with a hamburger. I can make a hot sausage smash burger. That's an idea. Don't steal it. I'll do it from one of my videos. I don't use a thermometer. I just go bing, 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 and try to get it. I fail for it. Okay, I think we're pretty much set. I'm going to put this on the cutting board. Got nice color. Just a little bit of juice. I'm just going to pour in. That's it. Okay, now we're going to kind of chop this in strips. Now you don't want to pulverize this, but you want to leave more texture. So we're going to mix this up. This is a spicy Bob Evans sausage, breakfast sausage. But if you want, you can use the mild. They'll still come out tasty. And now, I'm going to fill the sausage, but a lot of people try to fill it with a teaspoon and fill the peppers. And I make like a pastry bag. It makes life a whole lot easier. Don't cut too big of a hole, because then you can't control it. Start off with a smaller hole and you can always enlarge it. Okay, now comes the fun part. I don't know how many have used jalapeno peppers before, but I would recommend wearing gloves. Okay, so you try to get medium large jalapenos. You cut them open. These are sweet peppers that look like a jalapeno. You cut them open. Now what you want to do is get this here all out, including the pit. Excuse me. Just take a teaspoon and kind of round it out, twist it. You don't want any of the seeds left in there. Now the sweeter peppers hardly have anything in them. Now what we're going to do is make a pastry bag out of this. And if I did this right, you should be able to squeeze it. Well, the next thing I'm going to do is cut up some Oscar Mayer pre-cooked bacon. You lay out the bacon. cut it pieces like this, about like this. And this is the wider part, so we're going to cut it in half like that. Just kind of lay the bacon, push it down a little bit. I'm going to shake some Parmesan cheese. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. In about 12 minutes at 380 in the oven with convection, I think we're about ready to go. Now we're going to put it in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. Top shelf, 380 degrees with convection on it. It's been about 14 minutes, so let's take these out and see how they look. Oh, yummy. Now, let's take it. And if you eat the jalapenos, it's a good balance between heat and savory. And that's my hound dog in the background, Benny. And these are the jalapeno poppers. You've got bacon, spicy sausage, cream cheese, ranch dressing mixed, and the jalapenos and Parmesan cheese, and they're going to be great. So Wart and I are going to take a taste of these. I'm going to try one right now. So good. Oh man. Say that. No. It's awfully darn good. So, this is Chef Carl saying, I appreciate everybody watching. Please subscribe to Chef Carl Food Whisperer on YouTube. And then tune into my friend Grillin and Chillin with Mojo. Tell him I sent him. He's a funny guy. And thank you to everybody at the service, first responders. And I shouldn't be talking about food with my mom. See you next time for a brand new show. Bye. I love you.